Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Ngayon magsasolve naman tayo ng number series coming from a Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Here is the series: 198, 194, 185, 169, and blank. So we have 5 options here, including the none of the above. Okay? So let us write the given series: 198, 194, 185, 169, and blank. Okay? So, ma-observe naman natin dito na yung pattern niya ay decreasing. From 198, naging siyang 194. So, nag-subtract ng 4. From 194, naging 185. So, nag-subtract yan ng 9, right? From 185 to 169, nag-subtract ng 16. Is that correct? So, ano kaya ang isusubtract next? So, makikita naman natin dito na yung sinusubtract niya ay square or perfect square, right? So, this is negative 2 square, right? Take note, 2 square is 4, right? So, negative 2 quantity square, that is also 4. But negative 2 square is the negative of 2 square, the negative of this, and that would be negative 4. So, negative 2 square, negative 3 square, and negative 4 square. So, 2, 3, 4. So, ang next dito ay negative 5 square. So, that would be negative 25. So, 169 minus 25, 4, 1. So, the answer is 144, and that is letter C. Thank you so much.